expand 18m minus 5n into bracket 3m plus 7n. Solution. Now, we have 18m minus 5n into bracket 3m plus 7n. This is going to be equals to, now, the first binomial expression, the first term there is 18m. Then we use it to multiply the whole of the second binomial expression, which is 3m plus 7n. Then, looking at the first binomial expression also, we have the second term, which is minus 5n. We are going to use it to multiply the whole of the second binomial expression. Now, we need to expand the bracket. 18m times 3m, what do we have? 18 times 3, that is 54. So we have this to be 54m squared. Now, 18m times 7m, what do we have? 18 times 7. 7 times 8 is 56. Then we need to carry 5. 7 times 1, that is 7. 7 plus 5, that is 12. So we have that to be 126. So it means that 18 plus 7 is 126. So we have this to be 126 mn. Then let's go to the next one. We have minus 5 here, minus 5n. So in this case, minus 5 times 3, we have minus 15. And we have n times m, that is mn or nm. nm or mn is the same. So you can write any of the two. So in that case, we use this minus, we have used this. We also need to use minus 5n to multiply this. Minus times plus, that is what? Minus. Take note of that. So it's very important. Here we use this one to multiply this, we have minus. Now minus times plus, that is minus. So 5 times 7, what do we have? That's 35. So we have here n times n squared. So we have minus 35 n squared there. Now, we need to simplify further. This is 54m squared. Now, 126 minus 15. What do we have? That will give us 111. Because if you take away 15 from 26, that will give you 11. So we have 111. So mn. Then minus 35n squared. So in that case, we have the quadratic expression. That is the solution to the problem. Thank you.